Guys, so today we are looking at this equation. We have a multiplied by b is equal to 48, where a plus b is 2. We are supposed to find a, the value of a and the value of b. Okay, so we say that a plus a multiplied by b is equal to 48. That's our equation 1. And then a plus b is equal to 2 to be our equation 2. Now, from equation 2, we can say that, so from equation 2, our A is equal to 2 minus B. So let's name this as our equation 3. Okay. Now, we put equation 3 into equation 1. So, we're going to get 2 minus B into brackets multiplied by B is equal to 48. So let's expand this bracket. So we're going to get 2b minus b squared is equal to 48. Okay. Now let's rearrange this quadratic form. So b squared minus 2b plus 48 is equal to 0. Okay. From here, we use the quadratic formula to solve for b. So the quadratic formula, which is b is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay. Now, our a is 1, our b is equal to negative 2, our c is 48. Okay. So our b is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of, so 2 squared, which is 4, minus 4 multiplying by 48, that's 1 all over 2. Okay, so this, we're going to say that 2 plus or minus 4 times 48, we're going to get 192. So we are going to get square root of 4 minus 192 all over 2, like this. Now, this is equal to 2 plus or minus 4 minus 129. We're getting 188. Okay, so square root of negative 188 and 2. Okay, which is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of this. We can say that 188 multiplied by square root of negative 1 all over 2. Now let's go here. Okay, so now b is equal to this one. We're going to get 2 plus or minus square root of this. So 188. You can say that the square root of 4 multiplied by 47 is 188 multiplied by the square root of negative 1 is I all over 2. So which is equal to, now and get 2 plus or minus I multiplying by square root of 4 is 2. And so 2 square root of 47 all on 2. So now we are going to get 2 on 2 plus or minus 2i square root of 47 on 2, which is equal to 1 plus or minus, this will cancel this, leaving I root 47. Okay, so you can say that our b, we are having two cases for our b. So we have b1 which is equal to 1 plus I square root of 47, and then B2 to be 1 minus I square root of 47, like this. Now, so from here, when B1 is equal to 1 plus I 47, to get A1, which is equal to 2 minus, so from, we are putting it is from equation 3, okay? We are using equation 3. So let me write equation 3 to be B1 like this, okay? So A1 is equal to 2 minus into bracket 1 plus I square root of 47, okay? So our A1 is equal to 2 minus 1 minus I root of 47, which is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus I root of 47. Okay, so our A1, comma B1 is equal to 1 minus I square root of 47, comma 1 plus I square root of 47. Okay, so now our B2, we are going to use B2 to look for A2. So our A2 is going to be 2 minus bracket 1 minus I square root of 47, like this, which is equal to 2 minus 1 I square root of 47. So it's equal to 2 minus 1 is 1 plus I square root of 47. So our another set of answer, which is A2, comma B2, is equal to, which is 1 plus I square root of 47, comma 1 minus I square root of 47. So this is our answer for this question. Please don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye-bye.